We'll begin by assembling the differential. There's a small issue with the printed manual. A shaft that comes with the car isn't shown in the current version of the manual. The first thing I always do when working on the differential is sand certain parts with 1000 grit sandpaper. This helps improve the feel of the differential. Here, I'm just showing you how to make circular motions to create a smooth surface. Next, we'll insert the ceramic balls into the spur gear. This one is a bit different from most, as the ceramic balls need to be popped into place. This is the pin I mentioned earlier, the one that's missing from the diagram. For the balls, we use differential grease. Apply it inside each hole, making sure to fill all of them. Now we'll pop the balls into the spur gear. Once inserted, they won't fall out, so you don't need to worry about that. These are ceramic balls, and they will perform well. As you can see, they stay securely in place on the spur gear. Now let's insert the pin that was missing from the diagram. Next, place the plate with the slot for the pin. Followed by the O-ring. And then the nut. Be careful not to over-tighten the nut, as you'll need some space for the remaining components. Next, we insert the larger bearing onto the shaft, followed by the plate. Ensure they fit together properly. And finally, by the spur gear. Now place the other plate. Insert the other bearing into the hub. Pay close attention to the fit between the plate and the hub. Now measure the thrust bearings. The first one, the innermost, should be the largest 3.2 millimeters. Apply a small amount of thrust-bearing grease. Now insert the bearing with the balls facing inward. Finally, insert the smallest bearing 3.0 millimeters. Add the nut, and make sure it touches the wall of the shaft. As you can see, the differential moves smoothly. Of course, we'll later adjust the inner nut to fine-tune the amount of differential slip. The final step is to insert the set screw into the hub using a 1.3 millimeters driver. And that's it. The differential is ready. Thank you.